Hey there, little review from today's lesson. Here are 4 fingers. Here's my 2nd fret, 3rd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, and we did do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. And you notice that I'm keeping my fingers pressed the notes before. And what that does, that adds posture and strength in our palm. Very important. We also use the major scale like this. We're going to count in intervals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's very important too. Okay, so the other melodies that we learned was how to descend through the major scale. And if we throw a little bit of rhythm on it, it's joy to the world. Joy to the world. Okay, now we also have Star Wars. I'm going to play this nice and slow. Had to skip over that A string there. And you repeat that phrase.